Well, you might have noticed that the torso has a bit of lag and doesn't really turn too well. So, we're going to be replacing the short linear actuator, which has some wonky attachments, with this. A bigger one with some actual flat attachment points. You can see under here, there's a linear actuator that turns the torso. It's kind of mushed in there and bent all out of shape, so we'll just take it out. There we go. You can see this mounting bracket is all bowed, which is why we're getting a lot of lag in the rotation, because it kept flexing and bending around this little hump here. Now with these new flat brackets, hopefully we won't be having that problem. And now we put the new one in. Hey, now let's go the other way. Light switch. Hey! Looks like there's a bit of lag going from left to right. But I guess that's to be expected. And these seem to like catching up on stuff. And there we go. That ain't too bad. So now, I suppose, after just a little bit of maintenance, that'll be it for Marduk. So if you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and bye-bye.